Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a hot minute since I posted, you know, holidays, family stuff, virtual schooling, and so it's been a little bit tough to create content. But today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a day in the life of Moa with the children. The kids are down by the ice. We built a little skating rink. I didn't build it. Sasha built the skating rink, so we're gonna go skating. And me, at 8 months pregnant, am gonna try to skate. Being super careful. It's been like 10 years since I went skating, but I'm gonna try it and hopefully it goes well. All right guys, we're on the mission. What a beautiful day. It's quite fresh, but that's okay. It needs to be fresh. Got the moon boots on. I don't know if you guys can see them. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Keeping me cozy. And I got quite a way to go down these stairs because it's a long way down. So I'm gonna have to concentrate so I don't tumble down. I'll show you guys. This is a sauna. It had to be stopped because the city told us we had to get permits. What a mission. That's going all the way up. Oh my goodness. That's what I had to walk down, and we'll have to walk up later.
This is ridiculous.
I shouldn't do this. This is dangerous.
I told you.
Okay. So, bad idea. Skating's not happening today. Maybe when I'm not pregnant. Yeah, mommy can't skate like this. It's not safe. So, I'm not gonna skate today. I tried. I got Sasha to help me put them on, but then I wiped out on my bum. We're not gonna risk it. I thought I could do it. I remember it being pretty easy, but not happening, right, Milo?
No.
It's dangerous. Alright, let's go. Let's go walk. You ready?
No.
Cold?
Yeah,
So, our outdoor adventure was short-lived. The kids got really cold.
Mommy, hey, come.
Now I'm gonna put Milo down for a nap. Right, Milo?
It's so tiny, Mommy.
That's so tiny. Did you have to show me your caca?
Yeah, go, look.
I'm gonna put him down for a nap. Reading a story before a nap?
Look. Mommy, look. Is this duck? Yeah, this baby. Is this one? Yeah, is this nope.
It's a banana.
This apple.
Took so long to sleep. I kind of fell asleep as well. Now I'm gonna have a cookie and just chill. He'll be up soon. The babe woke up. He's playing Fortnite. I was looking it up. I don't really know if 3-year-olds should be playing Fortnite, but it's not bloody. And he loves it. So we let him play. It was Daddy's idea, not my idea. Watching some YouTube videos and just chilling. Hope you guys liked the video. It's kind of late. I'm actually editing right now, but I forgot to say thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye.